this is Lindsay from Fit and Fabulous, and today I'm gonna show you how to make protein pancakes. So this recipe is amazing because A, it has tons of protein in it, which is perfect, especially when you're trying to lose weight. It actually has over 38 grams of protein per serving, which is amazing. B, it is delicious, and C, it doesn't contain like any banana. I don't know if you guys have seen most like the healthy pancake recipes out there, but a lot of them have banana in them, and like, I mean, I don't mind a little bit of banana, but not everything needs to have banana in it. So you will be happy to hear that today's recipe has 0 banana in it. So if you stay tuned today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make these yummy, delicious protein pancakes. Now, if you are new to my channel, my name is Lindsay, and this is my YouTube channel. It is Fit and Fabulous, and I make videos like this every single week. And my whole goal is to teach women how to lose weight for good in a healthy and sustainable way, so they can have more energy and have more confidence and just feel so good in their skin. And I believe that protein is key, especially when it comes to losing weight. So I like to create delicious, yummy, high protein recipes so you can enjoy some of your favorite foods while losing weight and becoming fit and fabulous. So if you are new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as notifications so you guys never miss a video like this in the future. Plus, if you do like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Ding! And that way I know to make more videos like this in the future. So if you're ready to learn how to make protein pancakes, then let's get started. So the very first thing you're gonna need is a bowl. We're actually gonna be using 2 bowls in this recipe. So go and grab yourself your first bowl. So the first ingredient we're gonna be using in today's recipe is some protein powder. So we're just gonna be using vanilla protein powder in this recipe today. Now, if you guys want to use like a flavored protein powder, you totally can. So if you want to use like chocolate or chocolate peanut butter or cinnamon or like whatever kind of protein powder that you guys like to use, you can totally use a flavored protein powder in this recipe, which I've had before, and it is uber good. But in today's video, I'm just gonna be using the vanilla protein powder. So this is the vanilla protein powder by Phorm, and this is the level 1 protein powder that they have. So this is just like the vanilla ice cream flavor. Now I have used the LadyBoss lean before, which is also really good. It's definitely a sweeter protein powder. So of course, when you use a sweeter protein powder in your protein pancakes, it's just gonna turn out a little bit sweeter, as opposed to a protein powder that's maybe not quite as sweet, like the level 1 vanilla one. So you can pretty much use either. Or if you're just using like a flavored protein that's maybe a little bit sweeter, then it's gonna turn out a little bit sweeter. So basically, depending on what kind of protein powder that you guys use in this recipe, depends on how sweet your protein pancakes are actually gonna turn out. So in today's recipe, I am gonna be using the level 1 protein powder. So I'm just gonna be using 1 scoop, which is about 1/3 of a cup of protein powder. So yeah, so go and grab yourself your protein, and then we're gonna take 1/3 of a cup and then add that into our bowl. Next, we're gonna be using a little bit of baking powder. So this is just gonna help our pancakes rise a little bit and just kind of make them like that much fluffier. So in today's recipe, we're gonna be using 2 teaspoons of the baking powder. So we're just gonna take our teaspoons and then add it to our protein powder. Next, we're gonna be adding in some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. So of course, this is gonna be mostly the liquid for our pancakes today. Now, if you guys don't wanna use like the unsweetened almond milk, you can definitely just use like regular milk if you want, or soy milk, or cashew milk, or whatever kind of milk that you want to use. Doesn't really matter. But in today's recipe, we're gonna be using 1/4 cup, and we're just gonna add that into our protein powder and our baking powder. Okay, so we have our 1/4 cup of the unsweetened vanilla almond milk going in there. Next, we're just gonna grab a spoon and we're gonna mix that up. So we're just gonna mix it up a bit. We still have 1 more ingredient to put in here, but we have to do this part first. Can you guys see that? So I'm just gonna add like a hint more almond milk, just because you want it a little bit more liquidy than that. A little bit more. It's good. So we're gonna mix that up. Mix it up. Yeah. You guys see that? I would say I probably added another like tablespoon to like 2 tablespoons in there. That's what it looks like. kind of what you want it to look like. Just looks like pancake batter so far. That is like the first part. Now onto the second part of the pancake. So this is the part that actually makes a pancake super fluffy and definitely adds like a lot more protein to it. So we're just gonna take a half a cup of egg whites and we are gonna put it into a new bowl. We don't wanna put it in the same bowl. We gotta put it in like a different bowl. And then what we're gonna do is we are going to whip them. We have our half a cup of egg whites like so. It's going into the bowl. And then of course we gotta get out our blender. So you guys have seen my blender in like other videos. It's still like the same ancient looking blender. So just gotta put it together. And we're going to whip the egg whites until peaks form. So get your blender out and then start whipping the egg whites. All right, so we got our egg whites whipped. As you guys can see, they're whipped. Can you guys see that? Oh, they're moving around a little bit, but they are whipped. And now what we need to do is we need to take our other bowl, like so, and then we need to add our egg whites into the other bowl. And then what we were gonna do is we were just gonna basically fold the batter in, or fold the egg whites in, if that makes sense. You guys see that? So we're just gonna fold them in. I know you guys probably think that I'm crazy with this recipe, but I'm telling you, it's good. Now we need to grab a pan and we need to cook these bad boys. I got my pan. I got my PAM coconut oil spray. So you need those two things. We need to go over to the stove. Okay, so I think our pan is hot. So we're gonna take our batter and pour it in there, like so. So I'm actually only gonna make like one pancake at a time just because I mean, I don't have one of those flat like pancake pans. And I find with like my pan that it gets really hot in the middle and then the sides maybe not so hot. And then usually like when I'm trying to make like multiple pancakes, it just doesn't work out. So we're just gonna do one at a time. So the other thing I was gonna tell you guys is that if you guys don't wanna like say like mix up your own like protein pancakes, you can definitely get like a pre-mixed one, kind of like this. Now this is a brand called Flourish and it is really, really good. I actually found this at Costco and I believe it is in like other grocery stores, like most grocery stores now. If you guys can't find it, I'll definitely put a link down below so you guys can definitely check it out. So they do have 3 flavors. So this is buttermilk, I believe there's vanilla and chocolate. I've only personally had the buttermilk and I really, really like it. It's super easy to mix up. All you need to do is like mix it up with water or almond milk and that's it. One serving is only 200 calories. It has 2 grams of fat and has over 23 grams of protein, which is pretty amazing. And I believe that they do have like gluten-free pancake mix as well. I'm pretty sure you can make like donuts with it and you can make muffins and all kinds of stuff. They have like recipes and stuff like on their website. So anyways, that is a good option. Again, if you guys didn't want to mix up your own. Okay, so I feel like our pancake is pretty much done. So let me go grab a plate. Look at that. I feel like that's like the perfect pancake, isn't it? All right, friends, our protein pancakes are done. So I do like to top my pancakes with some Walden Farms pancake syrup. Now, this is like 0-calorie pancake syrup, and I don't know, I find it tastes pretty good on my pancakes. Now for the taste test. Get a little bit of raspberry in there, like so. They're delicious. So all 3 of these pancakes is 38 grams of protein. Isn't that insane? And just over 200 calories. It's like 225 calories or something for this whole pancake recipe, which is like nothing. So I feel like this recipe is totally like a win-win in my book. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah. And there is 0 banana to be found in any of those protein pancakes. 0 banana. So that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that recipe today. Again, that is one that you're definitely gonna wanna try out. It's super easy to make, super easy to whip up, got a ton of protein in it, and it's just delicious. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. All right, love you.